Hey guys, I know my eyes are a little bit weird today. Well, they're not even weird, like they'd be quite fine if it didn't have Andy written on them. But this is part of my new Toy Story series, so if you want to watch that, it should be up. I think it'll be up before this. But anyway, today we're going to be trying out the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation. I'm so excited. I've heard really, really good things. I think it's Sophie said she really likes it. I feel like maybe Shan, I don't really remember. But anyway, it has 125-star reviews on Mecca. Overall it has a 4.5 stars and it has 168 reviews. It's got a couple of 1 stars. Yeah, okay, anyway. So this is the Stay Naked, so let's read what it says. This retails for $60, which is it's not the worst for a foundation. Like, it's expensive, but it's not the worst. Okay, it says, find your naked truth. This foundation offers a buildable medium coverage with a real skin natural finish lasting up to 24 hours. Okay, it says what it is: a lightweight yet long-wearing foundation that has been designed to look like skin. This Urban Decay Stay Naked liquid foundations are categorized by shade intensities, master tones and undertones, and are available in 50 shades designed to suit everyone's skin. You know what? I obviously have very pale skin, so I can't really say if this is a good shade range, but judging from the swatches, you know how sometimes like they have like 20 of the same light shade and then like 5 deep shades. This one seems to have a pretty good range. Like the light shades are light, the medium shades actually look medium, the medium dark actually look medium dark, and the deep, I feel like they're lacking with super deep shades, but the actual variety seems to be okay. As I said, I don't have deep skin, so I can't really comment on that. I obviously only kind of know how to pick my shade, and even then I'm really bad at picking my own shade, so obviously someone with deep skin would know how to pick their shade, if that makes sense. So it's one of those things. Judging from the swatches, it looks pretty good, but I don't want to say, yeah, this is a great shade range when I don't really 100% know, if you know what I mean. But yeah, 50 shades, I feel like that's quite good. So I feel like, yeah, it's not obviously awful, if that makes sense. You know how you look at some and you're like, and they have like 5 shades, and it's like, anyway, let's get on to this. So I'm going to use my Fenty Beauty hydrating primer, because I obviously want to use some products that I know I like. Usually I'll do my foundation reviews separate from like trying other stuff like concealers and primers and stuff like that, because otherwise you don't know if it's the foundation you don't like or the rest of the stuff, you know. So today we're just trying the foundation. I feel like I didn't get enough primer, so I'm gonna put some more on. Alright, let's go. Mine is in the shade 20 NN, which I think stands for 20 neutral. Okay, I'm going to take 1 pump. I feel like it looks like an alright shade for me. I did use the Mecca Shade Matcher. So I'll do one side of the face first so we can see the coverage. It smells very odd. Like kind of chemically. I don't know. Anyway. I feel like the shade looks pretty good. So I'm not mad about that. Wow. It kind of looks like I've just put a filter on, you know? Okay, I don't want to get ahead of myself yet, but so far, I'm impressed. Like, so far, I don't want to say that yet, because it's too soon to tell, but it literally just looks like I've put a filter on my foundation. I mean, on my face. Like, it doesn't look like I'm actually wearing makeup. It kind of just looks like my skin is a little perfected. Alright, so this is one side of my face done. So you can see that the shade is actually pretty good. Like, I feel like I could definitely wear this out. So I feel like it's a little bit lighter than it looks in the bottle. But guys, I think this actually looks really, really nice. Like, it just kind of looks like I've got a filter on or something, or like it's smoothed my face. So far I'm really impressed. Let's do the other side. Time will soon tell how the rest of my products and stuff perform. That smell is just so weird. I don't know. So I've used about 3 pumps. That's pretty standard for me. I feel like I don't know how people do their whole face with like 1 pump. Someone please tell me, because I'm very confused. I'm not a 1 pump girl. I've never been a 1 pump girl. One foundation pump. So far, so good. I feel like it kind of looks a little bit matte. Oh, not matte, like it looks dewy, but it's a little bit like kind of dry. And it actually kind of has dried down, like it's not too sticky or anything. It says waterproof. This waterproof yet breathable formula moves with you. The Stay True color minimizes the appearance of pores, so you always look like you. For a natural sheer look, take 2 drops of face primer for every drop of liquid foundation and blend together for a tinted moisturizer. Or a take on a tinted moisturizer. That's cool. Okay. Guys, I am really impressed straight off the bat. I think this looks really nice. I am definitely going to need some concealer and stuff just for my under eyes, because they are kind of so dark and, you know. But my actual skin, it looks really nice, and I literally just, like, this actually looks like my face. It's actually kind of like tripping me out a little bit, because it literally looks like this is my face just with like a filter on or something. And I feel like the color is so good. You guys know how bad my foundations are, okay? Like, I just kind of buy whatever, because most of the time I just do not wear my foundations out. I have a few that like match me pretty well that I actually do wear out, but most of them, like, they're like orange here, white here. But anyway, I feel like this matches me pretty well. Like, you know, I'm really impressed. Let's chuck on some other products. Okay, so for concealer, I'm going to take the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Hydrate in C6.5. This is a concealer I really like. It says that it's medium coverage, but I feel like the coverage is pretty good. I mean, you guys saw all the congestion on my chin, and it's still kind of peeking through, but it's taken a lot of the redness away, so I'm really not mad. The only place where I feel like it's struggling is under my eyes, because they are, as I said, quite dark. But yeah, apart from that, like, I'm quite impressed, you know? I'm just gonna put some on either side of my nose, or either side of my nose as well. That's kind of like my big problem area. Alright, and then to set that, I'm just gonna take the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Okay, I've just noticed something really weird that has never happened before. I've got creases in my forehead. So, if you... Can you see that? My forehead has never creased before. Never. That is very weird to me. That is like so weird. I'm so confused right now. I've never ever in my whole entire time doing makeup, I've never noticed my forehead to crease. That is so strange. It's really strange. So I'm guessing this is, I always set my foundation, so it's not that much of a biggie for me. But this is a foundation you're gonna want to set, I'm guessing. And it won't really blend out, come on. So weird. Anyway, alright. I'm going to set the rest of my face with the Too Faced Turn Up the Light Complexion Enhancing Highlighting Palette. And I'm going to use the middle shade, the Soft Focus one. Just set the rest of my face. That is so strange. Like, I don't think I've ever had that happen. I didn't even know that was like a thing. I've heard of like smile lines and stuff, but never my forehead creases. That is so strange. That is crazy. So that's not necessarily a bad thing, it's just something that I kind of haven't really had happen before. But the thing is, I mean, it might be a bad thing if you're someone that does not set your foundation, but I always do. I would never not set my foundation, so that's not really an issue for me. I mean, it's fine now that I've set it, it's all good. But that was just weird, so weird. Anyway, okay. Right, let's bronze. I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty Shady Biz bronzer. If you've tried this foundation, let me know in the comments below your thoughts and stuff. It said something like, it's a product, this product is a finalist in the Mecca Beauty Election 2020, so that's cool. So I'm guessing it's obviously like a pretty light product. I do find Urban Decay stuff to be quite high quality. I feel like it's another one of those brands that's kind of like an OG brand, again, like kind of MAC and Anastasia and stuff. So I feel like their releases kind of don't really get much hype anymore. Well, at least not in the beauty. Like, oh, no they do, like, don't get me wrong. But like, you know, I feel like in the beauty community, like, people don't really rave for them anymore. Well, they do, but like, they're just not probably what they once were. But they actually do have really quite high quality stuff. Like, you guys know I love their all-nighter foundation. I quite like the all-nighter powder. What else do I have from them? Oh, I love like I'm wearing one of their what are they called, heavy metal glitter liners today. I really love those. Yeah, I would like to actually try more from the brand. Alright, for highlight today I'm just gonna once again take the Too Faced palette. I'll take the Glow shade first. It's so pretty, isn't it? Ooh. Oh, I almost dropped it. Alright, and then on the like middle part I'm gonna take the Dazzle shade as well. Just to give like the blinding, you know. Alright, we'll take some on the cheeks too. That's a difference, see, like it's just takes up a notch. I really, really like this palette from Too Faced. It's really good. Love it. Okay, so I'm going to set my face. What should we take? I might take the Fenty Beauty What It Do spray. I loved it. Alright, I'm gonna go off camera, I'm gonna do my lips, do my hair, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about my thoughts on the foundation. Okay, so this is the finished look. I really, really love it. I think I really like this foundation. I don't know, it's really, really nice. I feel like it literally just looks like my skin, but better, you know. I love it. I think it's amazing. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you comment below and let me know what you think of this foundation if you have it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!